Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're like me, cleaning the tub and the bathroom is one of the most annoying things to clean in the whole house. But it has gotten so much easier for me since I found this Scotch-Brite Swift Scrub tub and shower wand. I love it so much, it makes everything so much easier. I like to make my own concoction of vinegar, dish soap, and water, and I just put it in the handle of this brush, and it is the perfect cleaning solution. I also like to clean my son's bath toys and his bath mat with this. All these little suction cups get so stuck with soap scum that this brush makes it so much easier. I love it so much, and everything comes out so sparkly and clean. It's also a lot easier to clean the sink. You get good leverage to get all that grime off, and it is easy to get into the corners.
If you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean your tub with minimal effort, I highly recommend getting this scrub brush. It is perfect and it gets off all that gunk and grime, and you can even use it daily just to make sure you don't get any buildup. I love it and you'll love it too, and that's my point of view.